This is from December 5th to December 11th. So December 5th to December 11th. Thank you. Cancer, Cancer, Cancer. Oops, I guess this is it. Okay, let me cut the deck. Okay, at the bottom of the deck we have the Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Right now you're emotionally fulfilled, even if you're not, even if you're by yourself. This is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon. Cancer. All right, Cancer, let's go. Cancer. You have a King of Wands, an air sign that is unbalanced. They're bringing in a message, the Knight of Cups, they're bringing a message to you. Cancer, the King of Pentacles, money. There's a King of Pentacles. The cards are not gender-based. Gender-based, this is an earth sign. Either the earth sign's bringing you money or money is coming into you, Cancer. You're looking for stability in marriage. You feel that you're free and you can do whatever it is you want to do. You're refusing to take a leap of faith with someone. You are juggling, Cancer. You are juggling, or the air sign is juggling. You or the air sign is juggling. One of you are juggling. Put it where it fits. New love is coming in. You're going to get you're going to get achievements, the world. That means things are going to go into your favor. You're getting a gift from a water sign, Cancer. And you are carrying a heavy burden. You should watch the Gemini reading. They had the burden in the same place, and also the Five of Cups, looking at the spilled cups and not noticing the two behind them. Okay, so you're noticing that you've been through a lot of options and that you're not noticing two options that are behind you. You're just not paying it any mind. You're waiting for new love to come in because you want a stable relationship or a marriage. Money is coming to you, but either you or someone you're with is juggling, which is creating a burden for you or the other person. A message is going to be coming in. You won't take a leap of faith with the two cups behind you. A water sign is bringing you a gift. Things are going to go in your favor. You feel that you're free and you can do what you want to do. But this earth sign, this air sign is out of balance and creating problems. Okay, so let's see if I could add to this reading with the Law of Attraction deck. Spirit, can you give me 3 cards for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon? 3 cards for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon. Can I get 3 cards for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon? 3 cards. There's 1. I need 2 cards, Spirit, for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon. I need 3 cards, Spirit, for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon. Give me 2 cards for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon, Spirit, please. 2 cards for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon. 2 cards, Spirit. Can I get 2 cards for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon? 2 cards. Okay. There you go, 2 cards. All right, so we have opportunities. Flexibility, be flexible. and security. Okay, so the cards are telling you to be flexible. You're going to have opportunities coming in, but it'll be up to you if you're flexible. And it will be security, so you won't have to worry about security. You'll have it. Thank you. This has been a reading for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Horizon for December 5th to December 11th. Please like, share, and subscribe.